Today we'll start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is admission of a partner. The topic calculation of new ratio and sacrificing ratio. Here there are different cases. We'll start with case number 1. Suppose there are two partners A and B. The ratio between them is 3:2. C is the new partner being admitted in the firm with 1/4 share. C is admitted for 1/4 share and nothing else is given, that C will be getting this 1/4 share out of whom, out of A or B, or how much he will be getting from A and how much from B. Nothing else information is given, only it is given that A and B are the partners, 3:2 is the ratio between them, and C is admitted for 1/4 share. That's all. In this case, how you solve the question I will show you. This is case number 1. In this way we will see more other cases. First of all, let us see case number 1. Let the total share of the firm be 1. First of all, I have considered that the total share of the firm is 1. Now from this 1, I have subtracted 1/4 that is given to C. So whatever will be remaining for A and B, because out of 1, if the total share is 1, 1/4 is given to C. Now after I subtract 1/4 from 1, I have taken the LCM and I have subtracted. What I get is 3/4. After calculation, I got 3/4. So this 3/4 is remaining for A and for B, because C has already taken his 1/4. So this 3/4 is remaining for A and B now. Now A's old share was 3/5. 3:2 means 3/5 for A and 2/5 for B. Out of 3/5 now, out of the 3/4 share remaining after giving to C, 3/5 is for A. So 3/5 of 3/4 is for A and 2/5 of 3/4 is for B, because 3/4 is only remaining now. So out of 3/4, 3/5 is taken by A, and out of 3/4, 2/5 is taken by B. And for C, what is the C's share is 1/4, because C will be taking 1/4, so nothing else for C. Now 3/5 into 3/4 gives us 9/20. 2/5 into 3/4 gives us 6/20, and 1/4, since these both denominators are 20, so 1/4 also will convert into denominator 20. So I multiplied with 5 the denominator. Since we have multiplied the denominator, therefore we'll also multiply the numerator. So it becomes 1 into 5, 5/4 into 5, 20. So it becomes 5/20. Now the new ratio comes as 9:6:5. So the new ratio between A, B and C is 9:6:5. Sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. Therefore, A's old ratio was 3/5, B 2/5, and the new ratio of A and B is 9/20 and 6/20. You can see here 965 means 9/20 and 6/20. So I have subtracted 9/20 from the old ratio of A and 6/20 from the old ratio of B. After calculation, we will take the LCM and we will calculate. After calculating, we will get it 3/20 and B 2/20. So the new sacrificing ratio between A and B is 3:2. C will not be having a sacrificing ratio as C is the new partner. Earlier C was not having any share. So whatever C has got, C has gained. C has not sacrificed anything, because he was not an old partner. C is a new partner, and whatever C has got, he has gained. He has nothing to sacrifice because he is a new partner. So sacrificing ratio will always be for A and B, and the sacrificing ratio between A and B is 3:2. One thing more to be noted here is, in sacrificing ratio, you cannot add the numerator and get the denominator. As in new ratio, we can do that. 9 plus 6 is 15 plus 5 20. So you will get the denominator everywhere after you add the new ratio. But in sacrificing ratio, you will not get that. Sacrificing ratio is 3/20 and 2/20. When you add 3 and 2, you will not get 20. But you can just see the ratio between A and B, that is 3:2. So 3:2 is the sacrificing ratio. So this was all about case 1, where nothing else information was given apart from just A and B's share, that is 3:2, and C's share, that is being admitted 1/4. Nothing else was given. This was case 1. Now move on to case 2. In case 2, same thing again. A and B is there. The partners are A and B. 3:2 is the ratio between them. C is again admitted for 1/4 share. Now one more additional information is given here. This 1/4 share of C, he will obtain it from A and B equally from A and B. So what if C wants his 1/4 share equally from A and B? Since there are two partners A and B, so we'll multiply C's 1/4 share with half. Since there are two partners, had there been three partners like A, B and C, the old partners, and now D was to be admitted, in that case we would have multiplied with 1/3. Suppose A, B and Z are three partners. Now C is being admitted into the firm, then in that case it would be multiplied by 1/4. If C's share is to be 1/4, then 1/4 will be multiplied by 1/3. If there are four old partners, we'll multiply with 1/4. So since here are only two partners, so I multiplied with 1/2. So 1/4 into 1/2 is 1/8. So since C wants 1/4 share from two partners equally, so when you multiply it with 1/2, 1/4 into 1/2 will 1/8. this 1 by 8 will be sacrificed by A as well as B. A and B both need to provide 1 by 8 from their share. So A's share was 3 by 5, B's share 2 by 5. From 3 by 5, A have provided 1 by 8 to C. Also B has provided 1 by 8 to C. After calculating, you take the LCM and calculate, you will get 19 by 40 for A. B, you calculate, you will get 11 by 40. And C's share is 1 by 4. Although he have taken equally from A and B, but still his share is 1 by 4. Since the denominator here is 40 for A and B, so we'll also convert it into denominator 40. So I multiplied with 10. Also the numerator should be multiplied by 10. So we get 10 by 40. So here the new ratio becomes 19 is to 11 is to 10. 19 is to 11 is to 10 is the new ratio. You can also check 19 plus 11 is 30 plus 10 40. So it is matching. Now let us find out the sacrificing ratio also. Sacrificing ratio, old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio for A was 3 by 5, for B it was 2 by 5. Now A 3 by 5 minus 19 by 40 the new ratio, B 2 by 5 minus 11 by 40 the new ratio. You can get it. A and B, if you subtract the new ratio from the old ratio, you will get 5 by 40 and 5 by 40 for both A and B. Sacrificing ratio 5 is to 5 or 1 is to 1. Since if you remember the question, they have provided the share equally to C, so it will always come 1 is to 1 in case of equally. Now let us move towards case 3. Already we have seen two cases. In case number 1, no information was given apart from this, that old ratio between A and B was 3 is to 2 and C was admitted for 1/4 share. In case number 2, C was admitted for 1/4 share, but he was going to take it equally from A and B. Now in case 3, A and B are the partners. 3 is to 2 is the ratio between them. Again C is admitted for 1/4 share. C acquires his share from A and B. C acquires his share from A and B in the ratio of 2 is to 1. Now C is again entering into partnership with A and B for 1/4 share, but C wants that his share should be provided by A and B in the ratio of 2 is to 1. Means for 1/4 share, A should sacrifice 2 by 3 part. 2 is to 1 means 2 by 3 by A and 1 by 3 by B. So C wants out of 1/4, 2 by 3 parts should be sacrificed by A and 1 by 3 parts should be sacrificed by B. So let us check whether it is coming in this manner or not. A 3 by 5, B 2 by 5. This is the old ratio between A and B. Now 2/3 of 1 by 4 is sacrificed by A. 2/3 of 1 by 4 is sacrificed by A because C's share is 1 by 4 and C wants A to sacrifice 2 by 3 part and B to sacrifice 1 by 3 part. In that case, A's share will be 3 by 5 minus 1/4 into 2 by 3 and B's share will be 2 by 5 minus 1/4 into 1 by 3. So out of 1/4, 1 by 3 part will be sacrificed by B and out of 1/4, 2 by 3 part will be sacrificed by A. So 2/3 of 1/4 is provided by A, 1/3 of 1/4 is provided by B. When you calculate, I have continued the calculation here below. 3 by 5 minus 1 into 2, 2 by 4 into 3, 12. So 3 by 5 minus 2 by 12, and here 2 by 5 minus 1 into 1, 1, 4 into 3, 12. So 2 by 5 minus 1 by 12. After this I have continued it here. 3 by 5 minus 2 by 12. I have taken the LCM. I got 26 by 60. Here B 2 by 5 minus 1 by 12. I got it 19 by 60. And C was 1 by 4. Since the denominator here is coming 60, so I multiplied with 15 by 15 just to make it 60, the denominator. So it comes 15 by 60. The new ratio what we got, 26, 19, 15. 26 and 19, it adds up to 45 plus 15, 60. So the new ratio becomes 26 is to 19 is to 15. Now sacrificing ratio, A and B. A old ratio is 3 by 5, B old ratio is 2 by 5. 3 by 5 minus 26 by 60 and 2 by 5 minus 19 by 60. When you calculate it, you will get 10 by 60 for A, 5 by 60 for B. Sacrificing ratio 10 is to 5, that is 2 is to 1. I think it is clear, the case 3. We will move on to the next case, that is case 4.